Yep. 3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Today, you might be able to see it. You don't see it yet? Alright. Those are Christmas lights going on the Corvette. So let me explain here first. The Corvette, as we all know, is down and needs some kind of major repairs, right? Like the transmission's bad, and I've already found a place I'm gonna do that. Harmonic bouncer's bad. I actually have that sitting in my shopping cart right now, and I'm like this close to buying it, but I know that with how my life has been going lately that I should probably just hang on just a little bit longer before I buy that. Because here's what I imagine happening, right? I buy this harmonic bouncer, boom, get it in, put it on, feeling excited, got the Corvette able to drive again. She's on the road. I have another stress reliever method way to relieve some stress besides just playing games and doing that kind of stuff. I can get out and drive my car again. And so say I do this, and well, for some odd reason, boom, something comes up, and now I don't have that little safety net to fall back on. Now, my thinking is, let me get through 2020 before I buy any more car parts, and after 2020, here's what I'm thinking, guys. I'm just gonna pour money into it. Not necessarily dump the money in, but sprinkle it on a little bit. Because I think what I'm gonna do is freshen up the motor. So go through, get all the seals and bearings and all that stuff, get all new. I'll probably take it to the shop and have that done. I want to put a new cam in. I want to put a cam in there. I would like to get some heads, a new intake for it, cold air intake as well, because they say that the K&N is, I've heard that it's not the best, and that it can sometimes suffocate the engine. So I don't really know. I'm not an expert. I'm just listening to the guys that have run things, different things, and what they've found. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. We'll do that to the motor, and then we'll get that nice transmission put in the rear end, along with the, what are they called? Stall converter, torque converter, stall converter, whatever you want to call it. We'll get one of them put in as well. I don't know if I'm going to try that. I might send that to a shop. Now the heads, the cam, I've rebuilt a motor before. Yeah, that motor right there was supposed to be the one I was going to rebuild. However, that block is cracked, and so I want to turn it into a table. So I did rebuild one 5.3 motor before. It was, a 5.7 small block 350 for a 1998 GMC Sierra K1500. Man, I wish I was making videos back then. God, you guys would have loved that stuff. Like that mudding video I posted earlier this year. It was that truck, and that's actually what blew the bearing that made me rebuild it. Also made me rebuild the first transmission I've ever rebuilt. I can do it, but I don't want to do it. So anyhow, now that I'm done rambling a little bit about the Corvette and the project and what I'm thinking here, and I don't know, you guys give me some feedback down in those comments down below. But let's dig into these Christmas lights and let's get going. I gotta find my gimbal, speaking of which, because you guys gotta sit down and watch this. You're gonna enjoy it. Alright. Alright, so a lot of this is gonna be like, what do you call it? I can't think of what it's called right now. Drawing blank. Anyhow, the reason we're doing this, the main reason, is because the boys keep saying, Dad, can we decorate the house? Can we decorate the house? And you know, as much as I would love to decorate our house for Christmas, the thing is that we're moving literally this month. During Christmas, we're moving. So, I really don't feel like, oh man, my pants are probably falling off. I really don't feel like decorating the house, only to have to take it down early. So why not decorate the Corvette? Because for one, can't go nowhere. For two, it does move. I can move it, and it's going with us. So it just makes sense to me that the Corvette should be what we decorate. Here. Put the tape down on one of those.
What's here?
Yep, that's fine.
That's red?
Yep. And then this one right there.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay. Oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
up here. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Sure. Hold on. Okay, so this is gonna take forever. That's what, that's what I've determined. Give me the scissors, please. Thank you.
You! Look at that!
So we've got all of this to tape down, except for the one little spot, which I'm gonna go ahead and try and get at least the main wire taped up. Since I'll be hauling this on a trailer for a so-called Christmas parade, I want to make sure it's not gonna come off of here. And I think I'm gonna put my other wing back on too. And then over here, we don't really have to take much. I'll probably put this one on here like so. I'm kind of taping them down so that they're not like flailing. But if we come over, I'm gonna turn my little space heater this way, warm up my hands. Oop. And then I'll go ahead and turn you guys that way too. Just watch me do this front real quick. That's basically what I do. I just take this, untangle it, all the way over here, all on the side, and go down this side. The goal is to have the entire car covered. At least that's what I'm shooting for. One way or another. What's up? First reaction from Mommy.
Are you doing the whole car?
Yep, we're gonna try to.
Woo! Alright, guys. It looks crazy, I know. But we have officially got the front end done. It's colorful. And then we have this green quarter panel done. We need to finish this door. We have the rest of them just kind of scattered right now over the back. Those need to be done. This top part is done. And then we also have to tape all of this still. And then she's perfect. You want to go ahead and plug that in real quick, Audie? Let's give them a glimpse. Oh, baby. Look at that. Plug it back in. Plug it back in. What are you doing? Don't plug it yet? Yeah. So, first off, I want to give a huge shout out to my man, Reno. That's why we circled you. Shipbox_Geo on Instagram. That's my dude. He donated 3 light strands. Shout out to Jessica for giving us 2 strands of lights. My mom for hooking me up with the blinking, I'm tripping. The blinking white ones. They work perfect for the halo. But I mean, just look at those things. They're so colorful. Can't wait to get the rest of this booty done, because then the only thing, now they're not. So the only thing that we have to do after we get all this finished up is we have to go park this beauty outside in the front yard, and we're gonna plug it in with the cord. Just run that outside. But while we're driving it, I need to get a power inverter. So I'm gonna be looking for one of those this weekend, because we want this to be ready and on the trailer for Bob's birthday cruise, or not birthday cruise, I'm so sorry. For his coming back home cruise for beating COVID and getting healthy. So Audie, whatever you're doing is really cool. That's really awesome. So we're definitely gonna be getting this puppy out on the trailer, because I'm not driving it, and we will be going full Christmas for our man Bob to help support him, and to also help give back some love to those that have donated to him and his family. I'm gonna go ahead and put his GoFundMe down below, and if you guys can please donate anything, they will greatly appreciate it. Bob is the man with the slingshot, and I promise you, one of these days, we're gonna get another taste of that slingshot. So if you guys like this video, smash that thumbs up button.
Hey,
don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Let Riley take over.
Even subscribe to Yee Yee.
Subscribe to Yee Yee.
And subscribe and link that bell.
That's not a YouTube channel yet, but maybe the Smiths or Granger Smith or Amber Smith are listening and they hear that, or any of them over at Yee Yee Farm are hearing this, and they're talking about them guys right there.
And me.
So have a great day, God bless, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, I wanted to come out here and get you a real night view. So before we end this video off, I'm actually editing it right now, and thought, you know what, we gotta go get a pitch black view of the Corvette. And all I can say is, wow, why haven't I done this sooner? Whew, man, maybe this needs to be like a permanent thing. This side's not done, it's not done, it's not done. This is done. I don't know, what we just kind of went with a weird, crazy design on the hood. And maybe we need to add one of these lights from right here over here, and then some of those over there onto the top. Maybe one more of these, put it up there, like bring this one right here and just tape it right there instead. I'm loving this halo on how it's wrapped. The side looks great. Dang, I wish those lights could stay there for the wheels. That looks cool. This part we're not done. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. For right now, they're just kind of sitting here. Although I do kind of really like this part of it, so maybe I should do this for like the wing, make it a wing. And then we have all these still to figure out where to put. I've also thought about putting the wing back on it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this edit. Just look at the reflection off of Dora. How cool is that? Like, yes. We're getting there, getting there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.